Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome to this week's edition of First Impression Fridays. This week I have a very special First Impression Friday. It is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So it's a primer. One of my favorite primers is the purple Becca primer. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it looks just like this one, except when you squirt it out, it's purple. So this is the box. I actually got this for half off 21 Days of Beauty at Ulta. It retails for $40. I got it for $19 because, you know, 21 Days of Beauty, duh, I'm going to obviously wait. Let me read you what, look how beautiful the box is. That's just the box. I didn't even open it yet. So, Backlight Priming Filter. Let's see. More than just a primer, it's the secret behind the iconic Becca glow. Infused with 3 unique filtering luminescent pearls, each one adds a different drop of diffused light. Blended together, they result in the first of its kind lightweight whipped fluid that creates a smooth canvas and acts as an instant filter, blurs imperfections, and gives the skin a healthy luminescent glow. Now here's the thing with Becca's primers that I want to mention. The one I had, that little purple one, let me see if I still have it. Oh, I did. Yeah, I ran out of it, and when I did run out of it, I was so upset because that thing was my favorite primer for a long time. It was such a good primer. But it was the purple one. It was like the one that matches with this, but it was purple instead of gold. And when I went to the 21 Days of Beauty, I was gonna get the purple one because I loved it so much. I think it's a color balancing one, and it's super hydrating. But I talked to one of the guys that works at Ulta, and he suggested that I get this one instead because I said I like a glow. Oh, it's so pretty. So after taking it out of the box, the regular cardboard box, this is the primer itself. It's so pretty. So you got a glass cylinder, beautiful shiny top, says Becca on the top with the silver like most of the Becca things do. Backlight priming filter on the top. Oh, so pretty. Like it feels like some kind of work of art or something. Like I like to leave this out on the desk, but I can't because it's already a junky mess, but I would like to because it's so beautiful. Oh, I like this. Okay, so this is the bottle itself. Like I said, glass cylinder. Very beautiful. As I said earlier, I would leave it out if I could, but it's just, my room is too messy. So, I have my eye makeup done. Eyebrows are done. I have everything done except my primer. My face isn't done at all. Just the eyes are. So, I'm going to use this primer. I'm going to test it out today. Oh, I love a pump because when you have to try to get stuff out like that, like I think every primer I have right now is a pump. But anyway, this is what the actual thing looks like. I had to pull off my nails. Dude, I had my nails done and one of them came off in my sleep. And then one of them came off and I was trying to unpack one of the things I got when I was trying to unbox something else. So I had to peel the rest of my nails off because I had like 8 left and it didn't look right, so I pulled them off. So anyway, don't do that at home though. It will like really mess up your nails if you do that. I just never learned my lesson yet. Pumping, 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 pumping. Here we go. So this is what it actually looks like. You can see it's got like a pretty luminescence to it right there. Okay, so got it in my hand, got it on my fingers. Okay, so as I'm, oh my God, the smell. It smells so good. It smells so good. Which again, that's something for some reason some beauty brands don't seem to think about, man. Like, I'm putting this crap on my face. Like, I'm going to smell it, so please make it smell good for me. So you can definitely see the luminescence in it. All right, so the primer's on. It smells good. It looks good, but the thing about it, I can already see an issue with it, is that it's not as smoothing as the one as the purple one. It's good, but it just like the other one, it was so smooth. I think 'cause it was a hydrating one. I'm gonna find out what it's called and get back to you on that. But it's a hydrating primer, if I remember correctly. It's a purple one. It's like the sister to this Backlight primer. It's good though. I mean, please don't get it twisted. I like it, but it's just that smoothness I don't see. So it looks really luminescent, like it's got a little glow to it already. Almost like when you add the highlighter drops, like the number 7 highlighter drops, it's kind of like that, but it's already in your skin. Like, honestly, if I was going somewhere in a rush, I could put this with some loose powder and call it a day. Like, I like it. It's just not quite as high, it's not as smoothing as the old one I had. I like it though. I like it a lot. Like, I don't regret buying it. I just wish it would have been a little more moisturizing. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. I will come back to y'all because part of a primer is how well it takes the makeup. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll come back and we'll talk about it a little more and we'll decide if we're giving it a diamond or not. Okay? Okay guys, so now that my makeup is completely done, I am ready to give you my final say on this Becca Backlight Filter Primer. So, before I went to get myself together, I told y'all that I didn't like that it dried so quick and I wasn't sure how the makeup was going to go on. Well, I actually used a foundation that I don't use often. I don't want to waste a really good one because of the fact that I am not going anywhere tonight. I just did my makeup for this vlog. I'm actually stuck in the house, that's why I did this, so. Headache, made me take medicine, can't drive, blah, 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 yak, 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 whatever, so I'm here. So, using that foundation that I don't usually use, it slid on so easily. I mean, it almost felt like water, and it doesn't feel that way usually. It just slid right in, it blended in, and the only difference from what I usually wear to today was that Becca primer. So I think it's a great primer. It smells great. I love that it has those pearls in it. Price-wise, $40 is a little bit steep, but Becca traditionally is a pretty expensive brand. It's definitely a prestige cosmetic brand. And it's worth it, but I mean, 20 bucks, 40 bucks for a primer is usually run-of-the-mill. My Japanese was that much. Smashbox is that much. I think my Hangover primer that I love so much from Too Faced, I'm pretty sure that's $32. So primer is just expensive if you want a really good one, especially a prestige brand. I still think 40 is a little bit steep for it. I don't know if I'd pay the 40 for it, but I'm glad I paid the 20 for it. So maybe wait until there's a 21 days of beauty or some kind of sale on it. Like right now they have the Tartlet sale. So if you could wait for a sale, I would do that. It's a great product. I don't know about spending $40 on it, but it's a really good primer. Now, like I said, I'm not going anywhere, so I can't test how long it wears, like how long it keeps your makeup fresh. I think I'm gonna wear it again tomorrow, so I'll update y'all. But $40 is a little steep. $20 is more like it. I'll give it a diamond because I paid $20 for it. Had I spent $40 on it, I don't know that it would get a diamond. No, it would still get a diamond. It still would get a diamond because it's a really good primer. I mean, it made my skin so luminous. Like, I haven't gone anywhere. This is not sweat. This is not glitter. This is not I do have a highlighter on, but all over the face like that, it's a pretty shimmer. So I'll give the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, I will give it a diamond. Thank you so much for watching Diamonds and Denim First Impression Fridays. I hope I helped you make a purchasing decision. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.